Okay, guys, there's our part 2 of our hot ones, or no, we should say Anghang challenge.
It smells good. This ginger miso or this miso one?
I like that one. I had that.
That smells
I
good.
put a little bit on my tocino this morning.
Yeah.
I couldn't taste any other tocino. It's like,
Oh, that's a lot of them.
Do I need to get milk and stuff? Like actually, do you want me to get it out?
I don't think yet, but
I don't think yet, really.
And these are the contenders.
Drew.
All right. And these wannabe celebrities.
Actually, just taste it.
Yeah.
Honestly.
If you can do like up to Sriracha.
Okay, are you up for it? Come on. You can do it.
And then once you start feeling yourself like hit your limit, just
Oh, right on the way.
And that is what we call.
hey, you guys like
This
drunk?
one is
Queen Majesty.
Oh, it's nothing.
All right, so Queen
then
Majesty at how many thousand?
9.
Oh, only 9,000?
Last year.
That's the one.
Wings.
That's the first one we tried, right?
That was
We have
the
like
pineapple
5 more pounds.
habanero, which was.
So this one.
I'm slowly opening the hurt locker.
It's called Queen Majesty.
Queen Majesty.
Scotch bonnet and ginger.
Okay, how about an interview? Nothing.
So far, so good.
All right, so far so good.
Canadians versus Americans.
I won't get.
It's a blueberry habanero.
blueberry. That sounds good. That's good.
Oh, I did just punch.
Blueberry habanero.
Oh, that sounds good.
That's number 3.
Okay, let's.
Where we at? Where we at?
Number 31. Blueberry habanero.
Wait, I can still taste the second one.
Too bad.
Oh my god, I love this.
Thanks.
This is so good.
Okay, this is number 3, and this is called blueberry habanero.
I think we have a blueberry habanero right here.
All right.
This one is good.
What's next?
This is only number 3. Wait. I can handle it.
Yeah. 8, 9, 10, 20.
Whoa! And what do you call it again? What do you call it?
This is dirty dick.
It's 20
Dirty Dick's hot sauce,
That
yo.
1,000.
Yeah.
That blueberry one was more sweet.
Let's
Yeah.
see.
Yeah, I like that one.
Yeah. Like you can make that into like a salad dressing.
That one's good.
Salad dressing.
Chicken sandwich.
This
What do
is
you want?
number 4.
I get that.
Dirty Dick's hot sauce.
That one is pretty sweet.
You like this, Uncle Joy?
You prefer the dirty dick?
Is that your preference? I prefer it.
Oh, why you say it like that?
Dirty.
Did you get it on camera? I prefer the dirty dick.
Well, I got it this time.
It's the first time you said ooh.
Ooh.
I thought that one. What's that deep one in his mouth?
He said, with bravado spice, even though it's blueberry,
so
I find their fruit
this
sauces
one
are pretty
This
safe.
is
This is
that's
20.
ghost
28.
pepper and
You
blueberry.
got a hype man. You got a hype man for your stuff.
You guys want to just dip into this one?
Oh,
So just to recap, we have done ghost pepper and blueberry.
Dina,
We have done
can you look in the fridge for any kid juices? The kid size
Dirty
juices? I think
Dick's
that mom
hot sauce.
But
And we
this
have
will
the
do it more
heartbeat
here.
hot
yeah,
sauce.
on the outside, not the
Blueberry,
Yeah.
habanero, Queen Majesty, and the pineapple habanero.
We're gonna do this here.
And we're waiting for black garlic now, right?
So we're doing this now.
Like garlic.
Help your brother with this one.
Go for it, Chris.
We're going out of ghost pepper. We have white.
Okay, we're getting up there.
Oh, I need another one. I need another one.
Oh, that was not working.
Can you tell me the name of that hot sauce is? What do you
this
call
one's
that?
the High River sauce. High River Rogue sauce.
Well, it wasn't that bad until this point.
This is our number 6.
Now it's getting real.
This is our number 6.
You gotta go, Nikki. You go for it. You go for it. You go for it.
Don't do little dots, man.
Yeah, you go for it.
And then at the end, all the mix of all the sauces dripping on your plate. Get that on one wing and see what's up with that, right?
All right, y'all good?
I got more wings in the.
How is it so far?
Char, come on.
Good.
Let me see you. Let me see you. Oh man.
This one might
Ooh.
be a slow burn because I'm not getting it yet.
Here we go.
Who is next?
Did you guys shake these?
Yeah. Are y'all getting this one? I'm not getting it yet.
Hang on.
The one previous.
Carolina Reaper.
Black garlic.
So we're running out of wings. We're just gonna eat the hot sauce, right?
The shots, right?
Without the wings.
Don't look much.
Okay, Joy. So this is still 4,000.
Is it wrong that I'm still feeling it? I don't taste these.
Yeah, that one was like, that one was, that one
It's hot, but it's not like it goes away, and I still taste ghost pepper.
It's burning me right now.
It's just like around there. That's weird. What is that one at the Carolina?
This one is
70?
Carolina 71,000.
It's burning me.
That one's not that bad.
With peaches and garlic.
Scorpions are a little slow burn, so it might be a little like, oh, where is it?
All right. This one is 100,000.
I'm trying to be careful not to eat it where it touches my lip, because that's what hurts the more.
Or when you lick your lips, and then it's like all up
Or
right
just like
here.
if you put it this way and it hits right here. And
Suffering is not for me.
maybe you should put a Vaseline.
Okay, you know what?
You know,
I must have had a lighter drop of the other one because now I taste it. I just licked it off before. Now I taste
make
it.
sure you're okay.
I can taste it.
Spicy not here.
I know what you're talking about. I can taste it. Maybe this wasn't mixed right.
It's okay. We'll
I
do
think
it.
that's what I
I'll give it- I'll
started
change
shaking
it a little
really
bit.
much when we hit the
Whose idea is this?
That's what like that.
I can taste the region now.
Yeah, you gotta put it on there. Like when you bite it, it should be the sauce in your tongue first.
This one's a
Oh,
peach
look at that!
sauce.
Look at that! Look at that! Char. Char.
Now,
I'm watching you.
I got it now.
I feel like this one's gonna be late.
How much is this one? 100. Yeah, 100.
I found this powder.
No, and I put a lot on this one.
Heat or peach?
This one does hit you in the throat more.
Yeah, I'm feeling that one right here.
I mean, I'm sweating.
Lucky dog.
Like a.
Yeah, that's.
See if I still have that strength to.
That one I have to wait for the heat to die down before I try to mix.
This is it.
Yeah, we need a break. A little,
Yeah,
little break.
before the
Ghost
next
Reaper.
one, yeah.
That was awesome. Because otherwise you're not going to really know whether or not you're
Everything just
this
hurts.
one. Yeah, exactly.
Everything's just gonna hurt.
Yeah. I think I stopped doing it.
Don't give him a kiss.
That one is legitimately hot.
I don't need them all.
Yeah, that one's.
Right.
Me too.
That was really hot.
Let's get that Uber ice cream out, man.
Okay, so here's the status update. We have done this now.
My eyes are tearing up.
This is what they call the Akamiso Ghost Reaper.
That is legitimately.
Wrecked everywhere.
Extremely spicy.
Still going.
And how many Scoville is this?
116.
116.
1,000.
And it says serving size is 1 teaspoon. I think I had half a teaspoon.
That's not feeling hot.
That's 600.
We're still alive.
It's
And we have 2 more left right here.
Honestly, that was fun.
We have the bomb.
Carolina opened up your defense.
I was just fine until I had that one. That one was bad.
Scorpion Disco.
I'm just gonna talk about my failure.
I'm gonna be behind.
What's everyone's
As you can
favorite?
see, we have 2. We have 2 left. 135 the bomb, which I personally will not try anymore.
This company,
M35.
Market Store. It came in a
Bye, man. I love you.
all the
No, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
all came in.
What are we doing?
I'm up to the ball. 35.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, and I know what that tastes like.
Is that a lot, really?
That's not right.
I mean, it's on there.
That's manly.
It's on there.
Ain't no one
You
going
can
to
start copying
question
mine,
you.
then it's gonna be just embarrassing.
Oh, I saw it come in. Yep. All right. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's instant karma, baby.
Does it even taste good?
Instant karma.
Does it even taste good?
It's just spicy. Did you do the bomb already?
Somebody get my CPR bag.
Y'all started it?
You got a nurse in the house? You got a
Instant
nurse
karma.
in the house?
Hey, that's not enough.
Oh my god, everyone's coughing. I don't want
This one is not good. I hate this.
This is the
That
bomb.
just hit me. Oh,
This is
Are
the
you gonna
bomb.
try it?
it's not
Not
spicy.
to that looks scary. No, no, go in
For sure, taste
level.
of gasoline.
Anyone?
I'm just asking what this
And
flavor
I'm
for.
watching
I'm
the kids,
eating.
seeing what she
I'm
thinks.
just gonna wait for the heat now.
Me too.
Coming.
Oh my god.
You guys are just courageous.
Oh my goodness.
You are just really
Is it
brave.
there?
There it is.
When I bite it, I put it directly on my tongue first and then bite it.
There it is.
How's that one? How's that one?
It tastes so gross. It's so bad. It's
So no
bitter.
flavor. There it goes. It's building. It's building.
That's because it's not.
You know? Oh god.
It is like a bomb. You know what I mean?
It's building.
That's my throat. My throat tentacles. So all of these sauces use natural peppers in their sauce, except this one uses a pepper extract. That's why it doesn't taste good. It tastes
want to
good.
go, man.
You should try it, bomb, babe.
You gotta try this.
Just
I'm very scared.
hey, is it? It got a bit of pork for you. Just use the rib. Just put what's on the rim on there. Just rub your wing on top of it. Don't even pour it. See the residue?
Oh, there
There you
you're
go.
going for it, huh?
Wrong one.
Is that gonna kill me?
That's good, dude.
You want pineapple?
Don't even swallow it. I just put it in.
Not yet, still the bomb. They're
I
still
need to get
trying
ready.
to
I need to get ready.
get some.
You gotta try it, man. Let's maybe sit down now.
Where you are now? 135,000?
That one was so hot.
It's like coming.
She took a really small bite, which is
Jesus, that hurt.
what's probably gonna hurt my stomach more is downing my third cup of milk right now. You gotta like keep it on your tongue. Let the oils come off of it.
Okay. We have rested. This challenge is at a standstill. Wait on contestants to come back and try the last two.
You remain.
So we have the scorpion disco.
Only one left. Only this one left.
That one, I'm actually, it makes me like anxious. Like I get scared to do it. I get all of the pain.
Alright, still alive.
This ain't over.
Huh?
You said
What,
it, you're
scorpion
gonna do it
disco?
all.
You gotta finish the video.
I'll do scorpion disco.
Yeah, last year you didn't do it. This
Come
year
on, let's go.
This video's going on YouTube, man.
Yeah, I know. Today.
It's gonna be on YouTube.
Dave, he stopped.
Can't get this far and not do it.
Okay, this is my water.
What I recommend is put some on your plate. That water's not gonna help.
All right, it's
Okay. Scorpion disco.
Happy birthday, Kennedy.
Oh, this is really sweet.
Then the disco starts to play.
Where's that disco thing?
Then you start moshing.
Then it's a Travis Scott concert. You're getting crushed. Can't breathe no more.
That's nothing. Nothing. Yeah, nothing.
That was not in the bag. Wait for it. I need a popsicle or something. I gotta get ready.
I really think it's not as bad as the mom.
No.
Not bad at all.
Oh man, this one bills.
I'm waiting for it. Okay, wait. What's going on?
I really think it's good.
I think right now, at the moment, it's
Tell me, I know what to go.
it's like number 3 or 4.
Yeah.
This is the end credits. Somebody said it's building.
Bloopers, come on. Get back.
You fought the clock 5 minutes.
These are the Jackie Chan when he gets hurt scenes after the movie.
Oh, you did.
You remember what happened last year?
So we've had the scorpion disco, and somebody said we have a secret round coming up, but I don't know. Oh, here we go. Here's a secret round. Oh my gosh. This is it. This is it. I thought I was gonna talk about end credits here, but it looks like we have another one coming. The last one.
I have no idea about this one. We don't know if it's hot or
Maybe
not.
you should taste it first.
Yeah.
There's no company.
Can I
There was
see?
no company name on it. There's nothing on it. There's no Scovilles units. Nothing.
Nothing.
It just says it was a product from Colombia, and it's maybe I don't know.
I don't think it's gonna be hot.
Nothing.
It's
I
called
have-
the Reaper, maybe because
Can
the
you
Carolina
show it?
Reapers,
Can you
we're
show it?
beyond this.
Oh my God! Right
It
here.
make nothing.
I feel like it's gonna be nothing.
Huh?
Does it even have a one on it?
Is Tony into that stuff?
I don't know if we're gonna do this one right here. This is the final one, but
It doesn't have a. I don't know. It smells pretty formidable. Oh yeah, it does. But it doesn't. It's not late. I mean, it smells like it's somewhere in the middle of where we. I don't know. You can smell it. It's
Enough to dip on your plate too?
yeah, just fine. I got clean plate.
Where'd you get this one, Chris? At the store we went to earlier. It was tucked away in the back corner.
Mystery bottle. We don't know what we're eating here. No idea.
There's a good chance it's nothing.
We have no
I
idea.
have no idea.
vinegar, white onion, lime juice,
It's nothing.
habanero, pepper.
Yeah, that one's weak.
That's it. Yeah.
Congratulations, everybody. You did it.
Yeah.
Let's do the bomb again.
No. Never. Never.
So did everybody
Aaron was the
enjoy?
funniest. He was just
Everybody
standing
enjoy?
there.
Did you guys enjoy the hot wings challenge?
Yes. The Hot Wings Challenge was amazing.
All right.
Ask me again in 2 hours.
Okay.
Letters on the sky.